Good day and hello everyone. It's me, Teacher Gracy Jane, where you can learn more and share more. For today's topic, it's all about Rondalia, and later we will know more about Banduria. For now, let us know first our objectives. To know the parts of Banduria, to identify the functions of Banduria, and to appreciate the importance of Rondalia ensembles in our country. Now, let's know first Rondalia. Rondalia comes from the Spanish word ronda, meaning serenade. Rondalia is an ensemble of string instruments played with a plectrum or pick and generally known as plectrum instruments. The use of plectrum is a thin flat piece of plastic, tortoise shell, or other slightly flexible material held by or worn on the fingers and used to pluck the strings of a musical instrument such as guitar. So this is a plectrum, and this is a finger pick. The Rondalia was introduced into the Philippines when it was part of the Spanish East Indies. In the early Philippines, certain styles were adopted by the natives, especially guitar and the banduria used in the pandango, the jota, and the polka. The use of the term comparsa was common. However, during the American period in the Philippines, the term rondalia became more used. The introduction of a Filipino rondalia song is very similar to the introductory tunes from the Aragon. So what are the different musical instruments of Rondalia? But now, let us see first what are the instruments of Rondalia. So these are the instruments of Rondalia. But we will know first what is Banduria. So to know more about Banduria, I will show you a video presentation. Of course, credit to Mr. Alfred C. Arciaga, and this will help us to learn and identify the functions of Banduria. Make sure to listen attentively and appreciate the beauty and importance of Banduria. Focus and learn, and of course, enjoy.
Mabuhay! I'm Alfred Arciaga. I'm the conductor and the trainer of Binan Symphonic Rondalia, the official Rondalia ensemble of Binan City. So, nandito po ako ngayon para mag-open ng online tutorial sa pag-aaral tungkol sa Banduria. So, this is my personal instrument. What is Banduria? Sige, tingnan natin kung ano ang Banduria. The Philippine harp Banduria is a 14-string banduria used in many Philippine folkloric songs. This instrument probably evolved in the Philippines during the Spanish period, from 1521 to 1898. The Filipino banduria is used in an orchestra of plucked string instruments called Rondalia. It is tuned a step lower than the Spanish version. Banduria, also called manduria, a string musical instrument of the lute family. with a design derived from cithern and guitar. The modern Filipino Banduria has a small, pearl-shaped wooden body, a short neck, and a flat back with 6 paired courses of strings that are tuned F sharp, B, E, A, D, G, and hitched to a guitar-like tension bridge. The tuning of the string in fourths gives great facility and uniformity of fingering. The fingerboard has 12 fixed metal frets, and the instrument is traditionally played in short, hard plectrum. The Banduria have 3 main parts: the head, the neck, and the body. Body. The main part of the Banduria. The body is large and hollow on the acoustic to amplify the sound. Neck. The neck sticks out from the body and connects to the headstock. The neck holds the frets and the fingerboard. Headstock. The top of the guitar where the tuning pegs sit, connects to the end of the neck. Pegs, tuner, tuning keys. The pegs, tuner, or tuning keys sits in the headstock and hold one on the end of the string. By turning the pegs, the tightness and the string can be adjusted and the Banduria can be tuned. Knot. The knot sits at the end of the neck. It provides ending point for the vibration of the string, so open notes can be played. Fingerboard. The fingerboard is on the top of the neck. The frets are installed into the fingerboard. This is where the strings are pressed down to create notes. Frets. A hard metal strip that are installed into the fingerboard on the top of the neck. The frets provide place for strings to end when pressing down with the fingers. Each fret and string represents a musical note. Position markers or fret markers. Banduria often have 3 white dots inlaid into the fretboard as a visual aid to the player. These markers are usually on the 3rd, 5th, and the 7th frets. Sound hole. It helps sound projection. True, it is a misconception to think it is the main source of the Banduria sound. The entire surface area of the Banduria, top or soundboard, emanates sounds, with the hole allowing the soundboard to freely vibrate and acting as a sort of escape valve for vibrating air. Bridge. The bridge sits on the soundboard. The bridge helps to translate the vibration from the string down to the soundboard. Tailpiece. The string of the Banduria is attached at the bottom as well as the top. The tailpiece area secures the string to the instrument at the bottom. Strings. The standard Banduria has 14 strings. They are typically made of steel. It is a vibrating element that produces sounds in string instruments, such as length of a flexible material that a musical instrument holds under tension, so that it can vibrate freely but controllably. G, D, A, E, B, F sharp.
something from the video presentation. Now let's have a review about the video presentation being presented. Banduria is a 14-string instrument with 16 frets and shorter neck. It is the soprano instrument of the Rondalia and usually plays the melodic line of the composition. So look at this picture. So let's have the three parts of Banduria. Let's have body, neck, and head. We also have the knot, the fingerboard, the strings, the tailpiece, the bridge, the rosette, the sound hole, the fret marks, the frets, and the toning keys. So these are the parts of Banduria and its functions. Okay, so let's have a reflection. So the importance of Rondalia ensembles in our country makes us realize that we need to appreciate more and to spread unity and abundance of any instruments we have, as long as it inspires others to do more, and we should be proud of what we have. It also serves as the string of unity and the harmony even we experience something. And take note, if you want to learn something, it takes a lot of discipline. So ang iba ang Pinoy and proud to be a Filipino. So thank you for watching, and of course the references in this video presentation is here. Just click the link below. So thank you, and God bless everyone. Spread love and positivity. Spread love and hate. Live love and love. Thank you, and God bless everyone. This is your Teacher Gracie Jane. Again, spread love and positivity where you can learn more and share more. Good day, everyone.